To change this battery, we need a 10mm socket for here, 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 and here. You could also use a ratchet. Here's some example of two different sockets that I have, but a 10mm wrench will work as well. First thing we want to do is remove the negative terminal. We'll loosen this bolt and try to wiggle the cable off. If it doesn't come off right away, you could actually put a screwdriver in between the top slot on the terminal, and spread it out a little bit, and that'll make it come off easier. And there we go. Second one we want to do is the positive terminal. Same thing, we're going to loosen that up. And then we'll wiggle that off as well. And put that to the side. Now we'll loosen up the two nuts that are on the hold down and remove the bar. Now the battery should just pick right up and out of there. Replacing the battery is just as simple. Make sure that your positive and negative terminals are in the same spot when you put them in. Put the cross member on. We'll tighten it down. Then we'll put on the negative. And we'll also tighten down the negative terminal. Make sure it's pushed down as far as it'll go. Then, last but not least, the positive. And we'll secure that nut as well. Okay, everything's tight. Let's see. How simple was this? Will the car start? Of course it does. If this was of any value to you, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.